So I needed roller blinds. Went to the market, 3500 rupees per window. And I have 4 windows. That's 14,000 rupees just to block some sunlight. No, I'm not going to do that. So instead, I spent 3 days, burned through maybe a kilogram of filament and built something better. For only 1000 rupees a window. This is that story. The plan was simple. Engineer around the parts that already exists everywhere. No exotic hardware, no hunting online for some specific component that ships in 6 weeks. So I bought some 1-inch UPVC plumbing pipe, some 627 bearings, a roller blind chain from the local market and some curtain cloth. Before you plan on building something similar, watch this entire video first. Because every hole, every chamfer, every weird angle is there for a reason. The files are free by the way, links in the description. But first, let me show you how this actually came together. Curtain cloth has to be sized carefully because alignment matters here more than anything. If the fabric is even slightly off, it won't roll straight. It will bunch and pull to one side every single time. Top edge is pasted to the UPVC pipe, bottom edge is pasted to the bottom spool, which also got its own 3D printed end caps to keep everything neat and square. Everything on the wall, chain in the holder. And then came the moment I'd been waiting for. First pull off the chain. That's the feeling. The market wanted 3,500 rupees. We literally paid around 30% of that, and honestly, they work better than anything I saw in the store. Files are free by the way, try building it yourself. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching Deslog Labs. Goodbye for now, see you next time.